Welcome to BNCTL, a trustworthy financial partner. It was initially operated as Institute of Microfinance Timor-Leste or IMFTL from 2002 until its transformation in June 2011 based on the Decree Law No. 3, 2011. Therefore, is the only state-owned commercial bank in Timor-Leste aiming to provide banking and financial services for the reason to reducing poverty and supporting the development of economic activity in Timor-Leste. BNCTL is committed to continuing to transform towards improve accessible services and provide quality services to the public. BNCTL provides any products and services we design to fill our customers' financial needs. For instance, from deposits, Haunia Futuro, Pensioner, Matenek, etc. Loan, working capital, investment loan, consumative multipurpose, commercial and financial services, Garantia Bancaria, remittance transfer, digital banking, and banking, internet banking. We also have reference letter, all of the products and services that offer will massively help our client to plan for the future ahead with help of the advanced technologies. Our client can use our products anywhere and everywhere. At BNCTL, it is considered that active worker presence is very important base in our culture. All the BNCTL workers create working inclusive environment. In addition, the workers feel valued and respected. In other part, all staff also receive opportunity to grow as an individual. The success of BNCTL is taken into account by any award in the banking industry, which is evident of BNCTL's commitment to continue providing financial services to the entire populations and clients.
Ao sempre satisfaço BNCTL. Será sempre pronto, nova ajuda, para assistência, solução, bem certo, para a necessidade financeira da União.
A muito com BNCTL, eu sente seguro e confortável a ter a financeira.
Here in BNCTL, we have network covering the entire territory, including Raioa. With the help of modern facilities, BNCTL is ready to serve you quickly and effectively.
I'm very proud to lead this bank as the only national commercial bank of Timor-Leste. BNCTL was established in 2011. Our vision is to be a leading commercial bank in Timor-Leste and for Timorese people worldwide. We have 5 challenging missions: to serve in rural as well as in urban areas, to provide affordable financial services to everyone in Timor-Leste as well as overseas. We also hope that we could serve with excellence, friendly, safely, and securely to everyone. We hope that through these missions we will also contribute to the economic development of our beloved country, as well as together with other sectors, we contribute to the poverty reduction effort. In BNCTL, we have a number of services and products range from the deposits as well as we are lending to our national economy, both for the small and medium enterprises as well as for corporate companies. We continue to invest, continue to expand We continue to digitalize our services and diversify our products to be a better bank for all. 2023 marked as a magnificent year for us, where all doubt were dispelled.